Hey everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I post weekly on business advice, e-commerce strategies, and mindset. So if you're interested, if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. So today it's a little different because I actually had a special request from one of the viewers wanting me to talk about how to find hot designs for print on demand. So that is what we're going to cover today. And if you want me to talk about a certain topic, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you want to see. Let me know how I can improve this channel to better serve you. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so if you have been on my free workshop before, you probably have heard about different ways to find hot designs. So in this video, I'm actually going to mention something different to give you a broader scope on how to find hot designs that I have not mentioned on the workshop, to just give you a better idea on how to get creative, how to get inspired on creating your own design, because there are actually many different sources to get ideas from. These are just few of the sources that I use that can hopefully help you trigger some creativity to help you create some awesome designs for your business. All right, so let's get started. The first source that I want to talk about is Instagram. So I'm actually on my Instagram account, and if you want to follow me, it's just Michael Shih Official. You can search it up on the search bar over here. I basically post on a daily basis on what inspires me and what motivates me. But if you're doing print on demand, if you're in the apparel niche, you should definitely be on Instagram because you can see a lot of stuff that are trending and what is in right now. And to use Instagram, it's basically like any social network. I talked about Pinterest before, and you can just search on top on their search platform. So if we are looking for dog t-shirts, we can simply type dog t-shirts up here, and then we can see the hashtags and maybe pages on the bottom as well, because these are probably companies promoting their dog t-shirts as well on this platform. So we can get ideas from there. So if we go to dog t-shirts over here, this hashtag, we can see all the hashtag that people have put with their posts that says dog t-shirts. And then we can just hover over to see all the social engagement people are leaving on these t-shirts, and then we can get ideas from these trending t-shirts. All we have to do is basically screenshot this, put it into a folder, and go back to it and see how we can get ideas from it and be inspired from what we are seeing. Now, again, I really have to stress this. You don't want to copy anyone's artwork. You want to create something that is unique to yourself, because you wouldn't want anyone to copy your designs as well. So please keep that in mind as you're doing your research. But through Instagram, we can find a lot of different t-shirt ideas that we can actually implement in our store as well. And Instagram is actually another source where I like to find designers and logo creators, or even get inspired by different logos I see online when I'm creating a store. So you can just type in logo on the top, and then you can see logo inspirations, and then you can find a whole bunch of samples on here where you can get ideas from if you are looking to create a store and you want a professional logo designed. Or if you don't have any ideas on what type of logo you want, you can simply go onto Instagram and find it over here. Likewise for designers as well, same process. You can find different logo designers, t-shirt designers right on Instagram as well. And all you have to do is find their profile and email them and get a quote. So that is Instagram. This is one of my favorite sources to tap into first before I go into anywhere else. So the next source that I want to talk about is THunter. THunter is basically a site where they will aggregate other tea platforms and pull in those information, so you can just search it on here. And you can see that this design is from Tea Public, this design is from Designs by Humans. So you can actually get a good idea on what is trending and what people are selling on different platforms right from thunter.com. All right, so that is the second site. You can just browse through here to get ideas, to see if it's a good fit for your business, for your niche. And of course, you have to be careful of those trademark designs, all right? Sometimes you can get a certain effect and change it up for your niche as well. You don't always have to search within niche. You can cross niche and see if a certain phrase can be changed or altered that will work with your niche as well. So that is a different way to think outside the box. So that is THunter. The next source is actually searching for different Shopify stores. And you can do that at myip.ms and search for Shopify IP and find stores that are currently running Shopify. And we can do our competitive research on these different stores and also get ideas for our designs. So let's say we have Shopify selected. We can type in our niche. We can say dog, and then we can do a search. And then this search engine will pull up all the key terms that has dog in their domain, and then we can go through these sites to get ideas from these companies who are selling dog products. So Crazy Dog Tea, and then we can go here and do further research. So that is myip.ms, another great source just to do your competitive research, or like I say, you have to live within the niche, so you want to see what other people are doing with your stores. So again, that's myip.ms. All you have to do is search for Shopify IP to find stores running on Shopify and also your niche. And the next place you can go to is Google. What you can do on Google is search for powered by Shopify, or if you know a certain company using a default description, you can also search for that phrase as well. So we have Shine On right here on my demo site. All we have to do is copy this text and then head over to Google and do a search on their search field, and we can see different stores using Shine On, and we can get ideas from there. All right, so that is another way just to leverage Google, the search engine. And the last place I want to mention is this site over here, shirt.woot.com. This site basically gets information from Amazon, and you can go through here to get some ideas for your business as well. They even have the top 20 shirts over here on Amazon where you can get ideas from. So just go through here to see how you can adjust it to your own business or niche. And again, be careful of trademark designs. You don't want to use those, but you can definitely get ideas from these sites to see how you can adjust or adapt them to your own business. All right, so I hope this has been helpful. These are just some different sources that I go to get ideas from, to get inspired. But at the end of the day, you still have to do the research and create your own design. And you have to give that information to your designers to get it created. So I hope this video has been helpful. Let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell to get all my latest updates. With that, I'll see you on the next one.